Hello, it's Lori with Giggle Girl Arts. I am getting ready to start my day one of 5 days of Easter with Cara, Brandon, and Dear Julie Julie. In case you don't remember, here are how the 2 pages look. The first thing I'm going to do is get cutting. Okay, so then the first thing I know I want to do is use this envelope and cover it with Cara's collage sheet. I just need to figure out where I'm going to get it on here, because I do want to use it as a double tuck. Okay, and then I'm going to put this on the other side of the envelope. So I hope everyone's doing okay. I want to say a quick hello, giggles and greetings to April Storm Paper Studios. Thank you for leaving a comment on my last video, and I really enjoyed watching yours as well. While you're here, be sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button if you would like to see more arts and crafts videos. Alright, so here from Julie's, I think I'm going to turn this into a card. So let me find the stuff for that. So, before I move on to the other pieces, I grabbed a few things and I decided to pull out these bright distress inks. These 4 came in a set. They are picked raspberry, mustard seed, spiced marmalade, and peacock feathers. And then for a green, I went with this lucky clover. So I'm going to ink edges and do some more trimming, and I'll be right back. Oh man, I can't believe I cut that much off. Dang it. Okay, so I accidentally made this card way too small, but that's okay. I can still work with it. I'm just a little sad that the rest of the saying got cut off. But like I said, that can be fixed. Alright, so continuing to ink edges. Be right back. Alright, I've inked the edges of this. So it'll be a double tuck. It'll go around a page. And then sure if I'll have this live in here. I'm probably going to have a card go in here that fits it more directly, but I do want to add some embellishments. So I pulled out some things from my stash that you probably have seen if you've been following me on Facebook or Instagram with my 100-day project. And then also Cara Brandon's Make It March challenge, where we had exchanged a flowish journal with a partner or more, a partner or two, and are making things from those in March. Ta-da! I've got a bunch of more stuff on my desk. All right. So I thought I would put a little cluster on this card. I pulled a whole bunch of stuff out that's from my Happy Mail and from my personal stash, which I guess now they're part of my personal stash, but you know, got these little flowers from the Dollar Tree. And I have these little lovely gems. But it's stuck to my finger. Okay, I'll set that up there to dry a little bit. Then I think I'll put a little belly band here. So I'm just going to ink up these edges, although really I probably should have waited because I'm going to have to trim part of it off. So I was rummaging through and found all kinds of fun stuff that I can use with this awesome two-part kit, I guess I'd call it. You know, and I really do think these two kits, or two different kinds of imagery, work well together. Somehow, I don't know what happened, but it looks like a craft store exploded on my desk. How the heck did that happen? Okay, so I'm gonna put this down here, and then whatever ends up going in the belly band, that can act as a stopper. And then I've got these two pieces, and I know what I want to try, but I'm not sure if it'll work. So before I start that, I'm gonna put this on here. I'm a little worried because I think my glue stick is running low, and I'm low on funds, and I'm not sure right now if I can justify buying more. Okay. So that can sit on there for a few minutes. Put it underneath the laptop. Okay. And we've got this cute little piece. I love all these antique images. You just don't see art like this anymore. They're so beautiful. There was a lot less people in the world, but they seem to keep in touch more. At least by the ephemera that I've seen, you know, that Julie has. Of course, we have email now and instant messaging, and back in the day, people had to use snail mail to keep correspondence with each other. So I've got my March journal just about finished, but the cover has been taking me a little bit longer than I expected. So I am hopefully going to have a flip through video of that in between these day 1 and day 2. For the 5 days Easter 2022. Every time I try to take these off, I tear a piece of the foam off. Well, not every time, but frequently. Alright, so these last couple of pieces I am going to have to do in the next video or in between because I'm running out of time. My iCloud has been really slow. So let me show you what I came up with so far. Okay, so these two are left, and then I've got these little pieces. Now let me show you what I've got so far. So first there was the envelope where I added some of Cara's collage page, and that flips open that way. This tag that opens, this has a belly band so it can fit right in there. Then I have this journaling card and this little card that opens. All right, I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the other videos by the other makers. See you then. Bye.